Hello, my name is Ken Blevins. I'm with Metrowest Real Estate Services, and you're watching this quick tutorial on how to search Home Partner's website for available homes that you can rent to own in the Denver marketplace. So you should be on this page after filling out your two-part form, which will give us some more information on the type of homes you're looking for and how you can best qualify for the program. To see the homes that are available, you want to go ahead and click on this link, and this will take you out to the Home Partners website. It's already queued up with the Denver marketplace. So as you'll see here, Denver Metro, and it's pulling up all of the homes that are, actually not all of them, there's currently over 1,200, but the map can only hold up to 500. So when you come out here and looking at the entire Denver Metro, it's only going to show 500. You can then drill down into a specific area or market. That'll give you a much better look at the homes just in that marketplace. And so the other nice thing is up here under search, if I know a specific county or city that I'm interested in, you want to go ahead and type that in. So Littleton or Inglewood, or in this case, I'll use Thornton, Colorado, and you can see the suggested cities here. So Home Partners is in multiple markets, so you'll see Thornton, California, Thornton, Illinois. Obviously the one we want here is Thornton, Colorado. So as I click on that, the map will readjust itself just based on the homes that are available in the rent-to-own program in Thornton, Colorado. And I can see here now there are 279 homes just in Thornton, Colorado that are available to me. So I can now drill down into my market, or I can qualify my search even further. So if I know I'm looking for a home in Thornton, but I also want a minimum of 3 bedrooms and at least 2 bathrooms, that'll take now down from that 259 or 54 to now 184. So I can see now there's 184 homes in Thornton, Colorado that meet my criteria of 3 bedroom and 3 bath. If you have price, minimums and maximums that you would like to look at as well, you can certainly punch those into. Same thing with estimated rents and so forth. It's also got this high school display on here, so anything in this orange dot are all the high schools that are in the area. If that's not important to you, you can always uncheck it. It's not a big deal either way. But now you can just go through and look at the different homes all in Thornton. You click through each of the different pages, or again, if you know a specific market you want to drill down into, just hover over that property, and then once you see the house that you like, if you want to click on that house and then come down in here to the picture, and then you can click on the actual address itself, and it'll take you into that specific property. And once you're into the property, you can see list price, your bed and bath count, a little over 3,000 square feet for this home, and then you can click through and obviously look at all the different photos and so forth. If there's any of these homes that you want to see firsthand, please feel free to give us a call. Either email me or call me directly. We're happy to show you any of these properties as well. That's the beauty of this program. All of these are currently listed in the MLS, so we can get access to them at any time. Once you're in a specific property, if you want to see the actual estimated rent and purchase price, you want to click on this and it pulls up this pop-up. So Home Partners for this particular property, the monthly rent is $2,650, and then you can see the purchase price each year. Home Partners does add a 3.5% accelerator each year to the purchase price as well as the rent. Just for price appreciation, in the marketplace. And so if you've been familiar with the Denver marketplace from a real estate standpoint, our price appreciation on a per year basis has been well above 3.5% for the last 6-7 years in the Denver metro area. And so that's what they've adjusted it to. But again, that's the beauty of the Home Partners program. Anytime in that 5 years, whether you're 3 months into it or 2.5 years, 3 years, 4 years, whatever it is, up to 5 years, you can exercise your right to lease to purchase that home. And so I will admit that the purchase price, not the purchase price, the rent is higher than the mortgage payment on it would be. But again, that's the value of the Home Partners program, is you're getting into this home for really nothing down. They do require you to have 2 months rent. But most lease options come with a 5, 10, or sometimes even 15,000 or higher down payment, because they apply that money towards the purchase of the home. But if you end up walking away from the home, you lose that down payment. That doesn't apply with the Home Partners program. All you need is 2 months rent to get into that home. And the beauty of it, again, even though you're paying a premium on the monthly rent, is after the first year, if you want to walk away from that lease option, you walk away from it. You get your full security deposit back, and you've just rented that home for a year. And so There's a lot of really good things about this program that are very exciting. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me, email me. I'm happy to answer or show you any of these properties at any time. So again, you want to come back into the map. If you're looking for other properties, you can drill down on specific areas by the map, or just go through. Like I said, there's currently over 1,200 homes in the Denver metro area that are available that qualify for the Home Partners program. And then once they buy the home, they'll lease it and rent it back to you with a lease with the option to buy it. All right, so that's how you look up and search the properties. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email, via phone number. Always happy to help. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.